Get into the 2009 Honda CR-V. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat, power driver seat, alarm. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.